Hello and welcome to Orbitvu. Today I'm presenting to you the newest Alphashot Micro version 2, the device which is dedicated for shooting the jewelry and luxury items. This device is unique because of many different features. The first feature is the shape of the device. It's cylindrical and it's all closed environment. You can control everything inside step by step. One of the features that you can use the camera position from horizontal into vertical or keep it wherever you want in between. And there is a button here you can control the angle, and it's called a protection button for security. The machine itself has the lights integrated from inside. As you can see that there are many panels from inside, and I will show it in a second like that. You see each panel from these are controlled by the software separately in terms of intensity and light in the device. The solution comes with a rotating platform, which is the base where you can control from the software in order to create the product inside the machine for shooting one angle, multi-angle, 360 or even videos. All these features can be controlled directly from the software. As a matter of fact, what you need in order to create a presentation of jewelry is Alphashot Micro, computer, and the camera. Your content will be ready to be used for your e-commerce or any other destination you prefer. Another unique feature of Alphashot Micro version 2 is the brilliance light, which is the combination of two different setups. The first one is the spotlight, where you can have a focus light on some stones or diamond integrated with the product. The second set is the brilliance LED, which are located on top of the camera and the bottom of the camera as well. All of these lights can be controlled 100% from the software in order to give the best outcome of the quality of the shots of your jewelry, especially if they have stones or gemstones integrated with the product. Another feature of the device is the camera holder, where you can connect the camera directly to the solution, which gives you the exact position every time you're shooting in the same sets of products. Alphashot Micro version 2 new design comes with a USB Type-C, which makes the solution compatible with the latest technology of mirrorless cameras, as well as the fastest data transfer from the solution into the computer. The combination of multiple light sources in Alphashot Micro version 2 will give you the possibility and the opportunity of shooting different contrasts of the same product through these default presets integrated with the software. For instance, we have the first shot here, and this is another shot with different preset with the contrast. As an outcome, we can see the difference between the first and the second shots. Also, you can create your own template which fits the best type of the product you are shooting. Another feature of Orbitvu Station, synchronized with the launch of Alphashot Micro version 2, is the reflection on the product photo when you have it in the outcome out of the software. I will show you that by choosing the preset we have in the template, and after that we go for shooting. We shoot the image. After that we go to the publish. In the publish we have also set up, we call them profiles, where you can control everything of your outcome. Some of them can be with a black background or white background. However, in here you can control everything when it comes to the lighting, so you can decide what kind of a background you want to use here, as you can see. And let's keep the background in this color, and we press export. We have already two templates for the export, one of them called white and the other one different color. We can export both of them directly out of the software by clicking on publish. Both of them will be gone into the final destination. We can see both of them with the reflection out of the software here. So we have the first one with a white background, white pure background with the reflection as I mentioned before, and the other image is this one, what I created with another background. Also, the reflection is integrated with the image in just a matter of a second.